If you want to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook using your iPhone or Android, for that first you have to install the Google Authenticator app and then log in with the Gmail account you want to use for the setup. Now open up your Facebook and hit the profile icon at the bottom. Now go for the settings icon and then select Account Center. You have to choose password and security. After that, select two-factor authentication and pick your Facebook account from here. Then you have to select Authentication app as the method. Then hit Next, and then you might get a key or QR code from here. Now copy the key and open the Google Authenticator app and go to Add a Code option. And now select the option you prefer, scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I usually go with the setup key and enter the account name like Facebook. Paste the key you copied earlier. And you will see two types of key option. I prefer time-based and hit Next. Now Google Authenticator will give you a code with a time limit. Don't worry, it will come again and again. So copy that code first and go back to Facebook. Hit Next and enter the code there. Hit Next. Sometimes Facebook might ask you to verify your account and you are done. You have successfully set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.